Hey collectors, here is a look at Corvus Glaive and Proxima Midnight from the 5-pack box set by Marvel Legends from Hasbro. Corvus stands below 7 inches tall, and this version has gold linings on the black part of his armor and his cape. He was first released with a 2-pack alongside Loki, and he is just a repaint in this 5 box set version of the Children of Thanos. He also comes with his double-edged spear. Here is a look at the back part of the figure. The gold highlights the sculpting details that is done by Hasbro on his cape, similar to the first version, but the silver color is used to do this highlight. The figure has similar articulation as the first version, and I find the plastic used by Hasbro for this figure a little bit gummy. And though the cape serves as a support stand when you put him in some dynamic poses, it also hinders the articulation on his left arm. You can only use the elbow part to raise and lower the forearm, but you can't fully extend the bicep area or the arm because of the soft rubber or plastic cloth that is looping around his chest area. Going to Proxima Midnight, she stands at 7 inches tall, and there are a lot of changes made by Hasbro with this figure, specifically the details on her suit and the new head sculpt that is much more closer to her film image. Here is what the backside of the figure looks like, and again, some of the parts here are reused from the first version released with a BAF part by Marvel Legends. Like her first version, Proxima is fully posable, and once you find the center of balance for the figure, you can put her in some simple action stances. But then again, I don't recommend any collector displaying their figure without any action figure support to avoid the figure from falling down from your display. And I just use her spear to support this action stance that I put her in with this video clip. The new head sculpt is the selling point for this figure. And even though Hasbro improved that, they also took away some of the gold highlights for her suit. Now, if you want to have a perfect version of this character, I suggest you get the first version's body and then the head sculpt of this figure and combine them. I got both of these figures loose online, which is why I am missing the sword of Proxima Midnight. And for size comparison, here they are with Vash the Stampede from Trigun anime series by Jazzwares and Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story by Bandai Model Kit. With Steve Rogers, Captain America from Endgame, and Han Solo from The Empire Strikes Back Star Wars Black Series, both figures by Hasbro. With He-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally, with the other two members of the Black Order, Children of Thanos, Call Obsidian and Ebony Maw. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.